am Katie Kelly, and I am a project manager at Infomedia. So before a kickoff meeting, we like for the client to send us a list of websites that they like and tell us why they like it, if there's certain colors or fonts or anything that they're drawn to, any type of functionality that they see in another website that they would like for us to do. Another thing that is helpful for a client to bring to a kickoff meeting is any marketing materials that they already have. So that way, if there's, already a logo, or they already have colors or certain branding like that, that just is a great jumping off point for us. At a kickoff meeting, we want to learn, first of all, more about your company. We want to know what sets you apart. So we just like to learn about how it started, an elevator pitch, but that usually turns into us asking a lot more questions to find out more in-depth information about your company. We really like to spend time getting to know who you are and what you do and why you do it and what makes you passionate. Our designers and developers use that in research and building the site. We want to know the purpose that you want the website to serve. We like to know what kind of functionality you want, what you're wanting the user to do with that website when they come to your website. But then we also want them to see and meet who they'll be working with, from the designer to the developer to the copywriter. And we just like to have all hands on deck, and it just really gives everybody kind of a clear understanding of what the client's looking for in their website. So it's just an open table to ask a lot of questions.